Hello, today I am going to solve Shelley Cashman Excel 2019 Excel Module 7 SAM Project 1. Our step number 1 is go to Asset Management Worksheet, change the formatting of cell D4, apply the fill, accent color 1 shadow this color. So go to the Excel worksheet and switch to the Asset Management Worksheet and in D4 apply the fill color this color, this one, this color, this color. Click on this icon and after this copy the formatting from cell A4 to D4. So A4 copy formatting and D4 like this. So I have completed one step here, and step number 2 is copy the data from the web page as follow. So format the data table as like this. So from the data tab, so go to Excel and click on data tab, and from web, this one, from web, this one is third one, from web, click on this. Now I need to put the URL here, so I need to open the file in web browser. This is, I open the file in web browser and copy this URL, and go to Excel and paste it here URL, and then OK. Now I need to select the table, so select this table and then load and load to. Now I need to existing worksheet and in G12 paste the table in cell G12. So paste the table in G12. This is cell G12, I think this one is G12, and then click on OK. Yeah, OK. After this, format the pasted data in the range. So copy this range G12 to M19, copy this range and paste it here. And now I need to format it as table with the color table style light 9. Table style, go to home tab and here, format as table, and yeah, table style light 9, this one, table style light 9, this one, in light, second row, second column, this one, and then OK. So I have completed two step here, and our step number 3 is in new table, change the sum data, delete the row for employee 520 because this is no longer with Blantain instruction. So 520, this one. So select this one and delete this one. Delete table row. So I have completed. And then find the next financial advisor and replace the investment to use a position name the company recent updated. Financial advisor, this one, financial advisor, and here business development to investment, like this. Yeah, okay, and I have completed 3 steps here, and our step number 4 is uh, list the first and last name of each team member in a single cell as follow. In cell A5, enter a formula using the concat function to shown in. So go to cell A5. In cell A5, in cell A5 type is equal to and concat this one, and function argument, and now text one is H13. H13. This. Hello. For complete course deal, you can contact us our WhatsApp number. We are helping students to grow their marks in each subject like business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, literature, statistics, economics, mathematics, networking, information, technology, computer sciences, and many more. If you need any help in these courses, contact us at our WhatsApp number. I will help you to grow your exam and marks in each subject. And now text one is H13. H13. This is H13, and then type comma, and now text 3 is cell I13, this one, and then click on OK. So I have completed part A, and part B is fill the range A6 to A10. A6 to A10 like this. So I have completed 4 step here, and step number 5 is copy the position data from range and paste only the values in the range B5 to B10. So copy this range J13 to G18 and go to Excel and paste it here, and then copy this and paste it into paste only the values in the range B5 to B10. B5 to B10, paste as value. I think, where is value? Yeah, this one, like this. So I have completed part A, and part B is in cell C5. Enter a formula proper C5, and type is equal to proper, double click on it, and function argument, and our text one is which column? K13, cell K13. This is cell K13. Oh, sorry, this one is K13. This is cell K13, and then click on OK, and then fill the range C6 to C10. Fill the range from C6 to C10 like this, and after this in cell D5 enter a formula using the left, D5, this is cell D5, enter a formula using the left, type is equal to, and then left, double click on it, function argument, and text is L13, and character is first two character. So L13, text is L13, and number of character is 2, and then click on OK. So I have completed part D, and now copy the formula from D5 to D10. So copy this formula to D10 like this. So our part E is in cell E5, enter a formula using the right function. In F5, this is cell I5, enter a formula using the right function, RIGIT, right. Double click on it, and function argument. Our text is LM13. This is LM13, and number of character is 2. And then click on OK. And after this, copy the formula from E5 to E10. Copy the formula from E5 to E10. E5 to E10 like this. So after this, resize column A to D to their best fit, resize column E to F to 7, and size column G to, so A to D with best fit. Select column A and then press shift and select column D and go to format and auto fit column width. After this, select column E and F, column E, and press Ctrl and select F column and right click on it, and column width is 7.00 and then click on OK. After this, column G, select column G and then right click on it, and column width is 21.00 and then click on OK. So I have completed 5 step here, and our part G is hide row 12 to row 18. Go to Excel and select row 8 to row 8 to row 8 to row 12 to 18. So select row 12 and shift and select row 18 and right click on it and then hide. So I have completed 5 step here, and a step number 6 is go to the performance worksheet, performance summary worksheet. To switch to the performance summary worksheet, and after this copy the data in cell A1 to D2 and then transpose the row column as you paste the data on the asset management worksheet starting in cell G5. So copy this data A1 to D2, A1 to D2, copy this, Control C, and then go to asset management worksheet and cell G5. This is cell G5 and paste as a transpose. This one, yeah, this one, paste transpose like this. So I have completed 6 steps here successfully. Our step number 7 is insert the picture. So go to Excel and then insert and illustration, yeah, in illustration and picture, and place in cell this device, and then go to where you save your file. This is from here, and from here this is our file, and then insert. Oh, I think I did wrong. So insert the picture, control Z, control Z, and now go to illustration, picture, and place over cell this device, and now select this and insert this, and now move and resize picture proportionally. So the upper left corner in cell G19, upper left corner in cell G19. So in cell G19, this is cell G19, this is cell G19, and lower right corner is J36. So lower corner is J36. So from here J36, so J36, J36, yeah, J36, and from here resize to column J, sorry. Now it's perfect in cell G9 to G19 to J36. Now this is size perfect, and after this add a border to the picture, tail accent 6 as the border color to coordinate the, so add a border color to accent 6. Picture style and picture, where is this one, picture border, tail accent 6, tail accent 6, where is tail, yeah, this one, tail accent 6, choose this one. And after this Apply the offset center. Shadow style. Select the picture and offset, which is offset center. Shadow and go to offset center. Offset offset center. This one, and choose this one, offset center. And after this, I have completed 7 step here, and our step number 8 is in cell H37. Insert a text box from the basic shape section of the shapes gallery. Enter asset management team as the work in the text box. So copy this text, asset management team at work, and in cell H37, this is an H37 though, sorry, this is H37. Insert a text box, this is text box, and here insert, in here, and paste here our control V and paste as a text like this. And now resize the text box to display the entire caption and move the box so it's center below the picture in G37 to J38. G37 G37 to J38 like this, and open like this. So I have completed this. So I have completed 8 steps here successfully, and our step number 9 is insert an organization chart as follow. Insert the organization chart smart art from the hierarchy section of the smart gallery. So insert, go to the insert tab and in illustration and smart art, click on smart art, and now choose hierarchy and then choose organization chart. Where is organization chart? Choose horizontal. Oh, where is, this one is organization chart. Click on this and then click on OK, and then move and resize the smart art to the left corner is in cell A19. Left corner is cell A19. So move this to A19. Move this to A19. Select this and move this to A19. Here, move to A19 here. Move this corner to A19. Yeah. Move to A19. Yeah. Okay. And the left corner is, lower right corner is D36. The D36. This is cell D36 like this. And in A19. Okay. And a little bit in cell D. Cell column D column. So I have completed 9 step here, and now step number 10 is enter fire in the top shape. Enter fry in top shape here. Control V like this, and after this enter monogeometry in the second shape. Control C and enter this in here. Control V, and after this add a shape after the shape so that it's appear to the right of the shape. So add the shape, add shape to the right, add shape. I think where I need to add a shape after the, so after this add shape and then after add shape after, like this. Right, so enter this, copy this text Garcia and paste it into new cell, this here. Control Z and paste it into cell. Right click on it and add a text, and now control V. And after this add and copy this Latimer, and in the bottom row enter left shape. So this is our left shape, and control V. And after this go in the middle shape, control C, and here control Z, sorry, and now control V. After this add this icon, this text cross, and in the right shape control C and paste it here, cross, like this. So I have completed 10 step here successfully. Our step number 12 is in cell B17 insert a text box and enter the text org chart. So copy this text and go to Excel in B17. This is cell B17, insert text and text box, and insert there and paste the text here, and control paste as a text like this. Now resize the text box. Resize the text box to display the entire caption. Align the top of the org chart text box with the top of the asset management team advanced text box in row 37. So select this and control and select this table, control and select this table, select this table and control, press control and select this table, and go to shape format and align, one second, align the top of, so align top like this. So now a little bit and in 17, so resize this to in, resize this here like this. So I have completed 11th step here, and a step number 12 is hide the grid lines on the worksheet to increase its visual appeal. So go to the view tab and where is grid line? Select the sheet here and go to data tab, page layout tab, and here in grid line uncheck this box view. So this is removing our grid lines. And after this our step number 13 is use PowerPoint to open the presentation. So open your this file, this you download from the Cengage portal. So open this. I have opened this file, instruction file. This is our file, support file. Support file. This is support file. That's I need to open it. And after this, in Excel, use screen clipping tool to paste a screenshot of only slogan and disclaimer into the asset management worksheet. Position the upper left corner of the screenshot image to B40. So go to Excel and use insert and illustration and then screenshot, from this worksheet. From this worksheet, and again the screenshot, crop this to where is instruction, position the to paste a screenshot of on the slogan and disclaimer this area. So I need to crop it, crop it. Where is the crop option? This is our crop option, I think. No, this is not our crop option. Crop this. Now crop this. Copy this here and here. Hello. Today I am going to solve Excel module 5 sample B. Our step number 1 is break the external link in the worksheet. Go to the Excel sheet and then this is our Excel sheet and we need to break the link. So go to data tab and then workbook link. Click on workbook link. Then go here, click on this three dot icon and click on break link and then click on break link. After this, then switch to the art pair worksheet. We need to switch to the art pair worksheet. Switch to the art pair worksheet. The art pair worksheet. And our step number 2 is in cell B5, remove the hyperlink, leaving the unlinked text. So we need to in cell B5, this is cell B5, right click on it and click on remove hyperlink. So we have completed 2 steps here. And our step number 3 is in cell D4, create a hyperlink. So in D4, we need to create a hyperlink using email. So copy this email in part A, copy this email, control C, go to the Excel sheet and in D4, this is cell D4, right click on it and click on link and click on email address, and paste this address that's copy from instruction file. So paste this and after this our step number part 2 is use info at the rate as the text to display. So copy this and go to Excel worksheet and then paste into text to display box, then paste here, control V here. And after this our step number part 3 is use contact the gateway artware organizer as the same tip next. So copy this text and paste it into, click on screen tip and paste it here, control V and click on OK and then click on OK. So we have completed 3 steps here and our step number 4 is in cell B10 create a hyperlink to the document. So we need to create a hyperlink for a document link to the file. So go to and use art pair description as the text to display. So copy this text Copy this text and go to Excel worksheet and in B10. This is cell B10. Right click on it and go to click on link and then click on existing file or web page. Click on this and select this file. You have this file downloaded from the same Cengage portal. So click on this and after this our part B is change the text to display. So remove this text from here and paste then that's we copied from the instruction worksheet. Copy this and then our part C is text to screen tip. So copy this text and then go to the Excel worksheet and click on screen tips and then paste it there. Control V and then click on OK and then click on OK. So we have completed 4 steps here and our step number 5 is added the hyperlink in cell B9 as follows. So our part A is use out online art pair calendar. So copy this text for text display. So copy this and go to Excel worksheet and in B9. So click on B9. B9, this is cell B9 and right click on it and click on edit hyperlink. This one. Edit hyperlink and then our text to display is we copied from the instruction worksheet and then paste it here and our part B is to display the calendar of art fair in US as the screen tip. So copy this text and go to the Excel worksheet and then paste it in screen tip and then paste it here. Control V and then click on OK and then click on OK. So we have completed 5 step here and our step number 6 is group the Chicago, Lewis and Minneapolis worksheet together and then make the following updates. So first we need to the group the worksheets. So click on Chicago worksheets. Click on Chicago worksheet and then press shift and then click on Minneapolis worksheet. So we have grouped 3 worksheet here. And after this our part A is change the font size in the marged range. So copy this range A1 to F1, copy this range and paste it here. Paste it here. Control V, right click on it and go to home tab and increase the font size to 16 point like this. Click on 16 point and our part B is apply 20% S1 set style to the merge cell A2 to F2. Click on second column. This one select A1 to A2 to F2 and then go to cell style and click on 20% ascent one like this. Yeah, this one. Click on this one. So we have completed part B here and our part C is bold the value in the range. So copy this range A5 to A8, copy this range and go to the Excel worksheet and then bold them. Paste it here and then click on board like this. So we have completed part C here and our step part D is apply the accounting number format with 2 decimal places and dollar sign as the symbol to the range. So copy this range B5 to F9 and then go to the Excel worksheet and then paste it here. Sorry, Control Z. Sorry, 1 second. And then paste the range here and click and press enter and then format this. Click on this icon number format, click on this icon and go to the accountant, and then in symbol select dollar sign, second one dollar sign in and with two decimal places, and then click on OK. And our part B is resize the column width of column B to F to 14. Do not ungroup the worksheet. So click on cell B, select cell B, and then press shift and select F, column F like this, and right click on it, and column width is 14 like this, and click on OK. So we have completed 6 step here, and our step number 7 is with the Chicago, ST Lewis and Minoni Plus worksheet still group, update the worksheet in cell A8, change the text marble to read stone. So copy this stone and type in A8. In A8, this is A8, and paste it here like this. And part B is in cell A9, change the total to read total sales. So copy this and go to the Excel worksheet, and in A9 rename total sales and click on enter, click enter. So we have completed 7th step here with the Chicago ST Lois worksheet still group. Create a formula as follow. Enter a formula in cell B9. In cell B9, create a sum formula. Here, create a sum type is equal to sum, and double click on it and select the range quarter 1. Select this range B5, B8, and close the bracket and press enter. So we have completed part A, and part B is copy the formula to the range C9 to E9. So copy this, click on this plus black icon and drag to E9 like this. So we have completed the 8th step here. Now we need to ungroup the worksheet and check to confirm that the formatting and formulas from step 6 to 8 are present in the. So ungroup this worksheets, or we need to right click on this worksheet and then click on ungroup sheets. So we have ungroup this worksheet, and now we need to check this our formatting is present or not. So click on this. So we have completed 8th step here, and our step number 9 is create a copy of the Minoni Plus worksheet, and then combine